We've already seen two great operations as we highlight some of the 2025 winners of the Environmental Stewardship Award. Let's head to Region 3 and meet the winners from Iowa.
We're constantly thinking, how could we do this better? And we really feel like cattle are a really good enterprise over here because overwhelmingly for us, they're positive for the environment. Hi, I'm Jack Smith of Smith Family Farms, and we are located near Bankston, Iowa. Great-great-grandfather immigrated from Ireland to a farm that we still own today in 1853. The farm has always been operated by our family, and as far as I know, it's always included cattle. We have a beautiful old historic barn. It was built in 1917, and my grandfather had it built, but he just didn't build a barn. I think he took care to make it look nice. I kind of find that cool.
It's a big old kind of landmark type barn. It's been there for, I guess, 108 years now. It's an impressive structure. We worked 30 pairs through it yesterday, but yeah, we use it all the time. I'm in there every day.
Our stewardship philosophy revolves around three things: no-till, cover crops, and cows. The big thing is no-till fields can infiltrate a lot more water in a big rain event. So instead of having that water start running right away and contribute to flooding, we feel like we can store more of it, and the more you store, the more you drought-proof your farm.
We've got a lot of earthworms, smaller worms, and they're important because we view them as our tillage tool. Those worms have big ecosystems, highways that they live in, and they make our soil more porous so that it can breathe and also allows the water to infiltrate better too when it does rain.
We want to be no-till farmers to hold soil in place. And then we are cover croppers because we feel like that's really an important tool for the environment. Not only does it provide some feed for our cows, but we feel like we're sequestering nutrients that might otherwise leak into the groundwater or leak into the rivers. So we just feel like it's well worth the effort to plant a cover crop.
The other reason that cover crops are really beneficial, it gives us the ability to not have to take the cows to grass. So our pastures can get ahead. And if we have grass stockpiled before it gets dry, that makes a big difference.
And then the rotational grazing in the summer is just maximizing pasture time, just to try to not have to feed until combine or crop residue time. So basically we're just setting it up as getting the most out of the acres that we have and trying to get rest periods to keep the roots going and keep the grass growing. Stewardship means to me is just trying to do better, a little bit better every year. It's more or less just seeing what's working and what nature wants to do and just not fighting it.
I think our system now, it's as productive as it's ever been. We can kind of prove that based on how many cows we're able to run and the acres that we're running.
Conservation is a good word, but we need to do better. My choice of word is regenerative ag, where we can actually improve soils rather than accept the status quo. I'm proud that during my time as stewards of these farms that we really have made them better. They were handed off to us in really good condition though, but I think we have made them better.